In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack on Windows 10 before support ends on May 18th. Open Microsoft Edge or Chrome on your Windows 10 computer from the taskbar or from the Start menu. Click the address bar at the top. Type app.slack.com, then press Enter. Wait while Slack loads your workspace and brings your channels into the sidebar. If Slack asks you to sign in, enter your workspace URL or your email address. Complete the sign-in with either a magic link or your password. Once your workspace opens, keep that Slack page open. Now install Slack as a desktop app. On the right side of the Edge or Chrome address bar, look for the install icon. It may look like a plus sign or like a monitor with a down arrow. Click the icon. If the install icon does not appear, click the vertical 3 dots in the top right. Hover over Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Page as App. In the pop-up, confirm the app name reads Slack. Then click Install. In the App Install dialog, select Pin to Taskbar and create Desktop Shortcut. After both options are selected, click Allow. Slack should open in a standalone window. A Slack icon should also appear on your Windows 10 taskbar. If you still need the Edge menu method, press Alt plus F to open the Edge menu. Hover over Apps, then click Install this site as an app. When the same install dialog appears, use the same install options. Now confirm the setup. The Slack window should show Slack's own header, the workspace switcher on the left, the channel list, and the message area. You should not see Edge tabs, a back button, or an address bar. Check the Windows 10 taskbar and make sure the Slack icon is pinned. Close the Slack window, then click the pinned Slack icon on the taskbar. Slack should reopen straight into your workspace. Slack now runs in its own desktop-style window on Windows 10. Launch from the taskbar, and it will keep working after May 18th, 2026, because it is served by your browser engine instead of the deprecated desktop app. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The experience is visually near identical to the old Slack desktop app. You can ignore update Slack messages from the old app, or uninstall it from Settings, Apps, and Features. Slack, then uninstall. Congratulations, you are all set.